Morning. Today we are doing the lesson 10 5-minute challenge, which I'm going to do all at once just to get it over with because it says YouTube links, so I assume each one is a 5-minute challenge. And it is going to be just a new project. There might be a few background noises because I am at home, but on the good part, that does mean I don't have to whisper since I'm not in the library. So the first thing we have to do is create a student class. There's going to be a private string, if I could learn to spell, private string name and a private string certificate. The student class is going to take in a string name and a string certificate, and this name is going to equal name and this certificate is going to equal certificate. Alright, we're going to have two public methods, which is going to be the get certificate, which is going to return the certificate. I see what went wrong. Return certificate and a public string get name, which is going to return the name. Now that we have the class, we can work on making, which one is this one? An array list. So the first thing we're going to do is have an array list. It's going to be full of student types. It's going to be called students equals new array lists. And we're going to add all the students. Students.add new student Henry Java. Henry Java. I did write these down on my phone just so I didn't have to look back, or else I would have to keep moving back and forth. The name is Ben and Python. Oh my goodness, I'm just gonna there are, I believe, 5 students in my room. Ava, C++. There's Jane, who is Java, and Emma, who is Python. And Jane was Java. All right, so our students are here. We're going to print out, enter certificate, scanner input equals new scanner system dot in, and then string certificate is going to equal input dot next, and then we are going to int I equals 0 while I is less than students.size I plus plus, if students dot we're going to get the certificate dot equals 0. We're going to system print out students.get I dot get name. So let's print this out. See if it works. Let's check how I'm doing. Oh, just 5 minutes. That's nice. Henry and Jane have Java certificates. There we go. And now to start the next one, we're just going to open a new Java class. We're going to call it HashMap. And I'm going to go ahead and essentially comment all of this out just so I can start from scratch. There's again the student class. There's the private string name, private string certificate. There's the student class, which is going to take string name, string certificate, this name equals name, this certificate equals certificate. Our methods are going to be a little different. There's going to be a public string get name. Actually, I think it's going to be the same. It's going to return name and then a public string get certificate. It's going to return certificate. All right, for the class, we're going to have a main. We're going to have a map. It's going to be a string and then a student. It's going to be called students equals new HashMap. Now, this is a little tedious. We're going to add each student. And then we're going to put it in put Henry and 1. We're going to do that 1, 2, 3, 4 for 5 students. It's going to be 2, 3, there's Henry, Ben, Ava, Jane, and Emma. Emma is Python, Jane is Java, Ben is Python, and Ava is C++. After adding all the students, we're going to do essentially the same thing. Certificate scanner input equals new scanner system dot in string certificate cert equals input dot next, and then actually we're going to go through students student values. There we go. If the student dot get certificate dot get certificate dot equals sir, and system print out student dot getting. Let's run this, check on time. Barely 10 minutes, which I think works out just fine. Let's try Java again, Jen and Henry. All right, thank you, bye.